Dragonfly Dreams. Now, I'm not a dragonfly lover, but I am an absolute lover of these stamps, and I'm going to show you why. This month, February 2022, Pink and Main Crafty Courtyard Dragonfly Dreams. That's a mouthful. I'm going to show you everything in the kit, and it is absolutely jam-packed, and I'm going to tell you how you can win your very own kit. So let's go over what's in this one. Oh, and if you notice it's a little bit hollow, I literally just moved into my new studio this weekend. And there's nothing on the walls. I don't even have my name up there on the walls. Sneelin, Inky Fingers. Nevertheless, I apologize if it sounds a little bit hollow in here. We have got a 6x6 stamp set, dies, stencil, sequin mix, paper pad, embossing folder, cardstock, mesh bag, enamel dots, and envelope seals. And this, by the way, you can use this on a card front. Just however you want to do it. That is a super, super cute card front. Love the little envelope seals. You always get these every month. There's always 4. And as a matter of fact, I've got one here. I save all my stickers from all my packages that I get. This is a recent revelation, but I've been putting them on my little tidy trash just to make it look a little cuter. This one here, if you are a Pink and Main regular subscriber, they revamped their system in January, and unfortunately, every single person had to re-sign up in February, but they gave this stamp set free to everyone who got the February kit. You can get this kit as well. I will link it down below, and don't forget the link will be down below to enter into the giveaway, which you will need a secret code word for, which I will give you. However, this here, they call it Java Nice Day. Again, just a free gift from Pink and Main for subscribing to the February kit. This has Java Nice Day, how have you been, with a nice little cup and a nice little thing of flowers. And these flowers, they kind of go over into the rest of this kit. So I thought it was a perfect little match. The mesh bag, everything comes in a mesh bag, and I've checked the price of these on Amazon, and they are not cheap. And they're pink, and they say Pink and Main. So if you're a pink lover like me, you're going to love them. Now, you get 2 pieces of this 110-pound cardstock. If you haven't tried 110-pound cardstock for your card bases, definitely try it out here. You get 4 card bases. I love my 110-pound cardstock for card bases. It really makes your cards feel much more expensive, and they're very, very sturdy. Now, Pink and Main has Bazzil textured cardstock. You probably can't really see the texture in the video, but let me tell you, Bazzil has to be my all-time favorite for textured cardstock. If you get Bazzil cardstock, you know what I mean. So this one here has all these 5 colors, and I mean, no matter which way you place these, they're perfect. They're a dream. They all work wonderfully. Now the stamp set. This is called Dragonfly Dreams, go figure. But look at these dragonflies, you guys. Are these not absolutely beautiful? Now let me tell you what I like the most about these stamps. There is so many little sentiments in here that are so versatile for all kinds of different holidays. You've got Just Because, I Believe in You, Hello, Wishing You Well, I Miss Your Smile, Happy Birthday, Congratulations, and a variety of others. This stamp set allows you to make cards for so many different occasions. And let me show you this little butterfly. How about dragonfly? Show you this little guy. They are so easy to cuddle. Words are hard. They are so easy to color up. And you know what? You could sit and color a whole bunch of them, and then you can just pull them out and make your cards whenever you need. And I always say, if you can think of 3 cards with 1 stamp set, that is a good stamp set, and it is included in this kit. The dies. There are 6 dies to match 6 of the dragonflies, which is absolutely perfect. And you know what I love about Pink and Main? Well, I was going to say, do you know what I love about their dies? Aside from the fact that they're pink, I like that they're already cut out, so you don't have to snip them yourself, and you don't get those bothersome little snippy edges that kind of pierce your paper and whatnot. I hate that. Do you hate that? Let me know in the comments below if that bothers you, because it certainly bothers me. Embossing folders. Now, not only do I love them, again, because they're pink. Okay, let's get off the pink, right? Nevertheless, I do love pink. I love these because they are 3D. Now, if you have an issue when you are trying to emboss with these, lightly mist both sides of your cardstock. And why do I say both sides? Because if you mist both sides, it won't curl as it dries. Because you know how when you mist your cardstock, it just wants to curl immediately. Any cardstock, just do both sides and then it'll dry flat. So these here, absolutely love them. I mean, who doesn't love that design? There are so many neat things you can do with the embossing folders as well. Now the paper, if you watch my previous unboxings, you'll know the paper cardstock kind of feels, the finish on it feels similar to that of like a playing card. Very, very, very good sturdy cardstock. Now I've gone through, they're all double-sided, okay, but I've gone through and flipped them all around so you can see both sides. So I'll start here. This reminds me of Minnie Mouse. Such cute cardstock. Some of them are a little busy for me, like this one, but you know what, if you cut it and just use a little bit, then you kind of mute it or tone it down. This here, you could cut it along the stripes and then just separate them a little bit on your card. That would look super cool. And the little polka dots, gotta love the polka dots. This here says best friends. How cute is that? More stripes. Black and white. Who doesn't love black and white? The stripes here are a little bit much, so I would probably cut those down. Black polka dots are purple. Actually, those go, black polka dots are perfect. That goes together really well. That actually, all three of those go together really well. This one, again, a little bit busy for me, but cut it down, right? So let me know. Do you find that the same ones seem a little busy to you? And do you cut them down as well? Are you feeling what I'm putting down here? This one, I would have to cut that one way down too. And then we've got the flowers, black and flowers, and then you've got your nice peach or salmon. So I think so far, this is my favorite cardstock from Pink and Main to date. Now, granted, I've only been getting the Crafty Courtyard for about 3 months, but I absolutely love that cardstock. Now, last but not least is the stencil. And I gotta tell you, I am loving getting stencils and embossing folders and stamps and dies. I mean, I told you this kit was loaded. So this here is all these little dragonflies, and I've got a little sample here. I was doing a little ombre effect, but they are so stinking cute. And then I got some ink on my cardstock, go figure, right? But there you go. Now hang in there because I'm going to show you a few card samples, and then I'm going to give you your keyword.
Dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Now your keyword is Dragonfly. So run over and make sure you fill out that winner's form. The link is down below. And until I see you again, take care and happy stamping.